All right, so let's look at the how you can update different documents and their properties. We have already seen the insert, so let's check out the update. So first of all, let's see, I'm connected right now to test. I don't want to be connected to test. I want to be connected to new DB. Let's go ahead and do that. And let's look at the collections. And we will be working with users collection. So I can simply say db.users.find. And the first thing you're going to see is that the first name of one of our users is James, and the last name is Doe. Another user first name is Mary, and the last name is Doe. So how do I update this user and change the first name from James to John? All right. So two things. How do I select this user and then update James to John? So let's see how we can actually select the user. So db.users.find, and just like in SQLize that you're familiar with, you can pass in the column that you want to select. And usually you select it with the ID and pass in the ID, and this is the whole object. And let's see if I can paste it correctly. So this actually shows that you can select it by the find method. All right. But if we want to update just one record, so this is just a selecting syntax, nothing to do with the actual updating it. So if we are updating, we are going to be using, let me actually see, db.users.update1. All right. And over here, we're going to pass in what record or document we want to select. So the ID we know of that document is this. So that's why I was showing you the find method, because this is very similar. Oops. All right. And then the next comes that how do you want to update? So this is called the update operators, and you can find the link of the update operators in the NoSQL MongoDB on new line. But the update operators look something like this. You have these update operators that you can supply. In our case, we want to simply update the value of one field in one document. So we're going to use set. All right. So let's go ahead and use set. So $set. And over here, you're going to provide that what do you want to set. Actually, I think I made a mistake over here. Let's see. Okay. db.users.update1. All right. And finding the element with the ID, which is this, closing tag. And now over here, we're going to start with a set. So set, what do you want to set? Well, I want to set the first name to the value what? John. Okay. So that will end the set part of it. And, forgot to close this. Here we go. So now it's updated. So I forgot to close the quotation marks over here. So now let's go ahead and say db.users.find just to confirm that it has been updated. And you can see instead of James, now it's John.